pàdé mi.
No, 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 yeah. Cuando dice que me quieres, no sé, que estás con otras mujeres, no sé.
My channel, my name is Eunice Imo, as you already know. So guys, I will be taking you guys on today's adventure. So today's adventure is going to be me going house hunting. Yes guys, I'm going house hunting. Is this too dark? Is this dark? Okay, so I'll be going house hunting today. So I'm going to be taking you guys on an adventure. It's an adventure because I've never really done this before. This is my first time of doing this. Okay, I just hope to have fun in it. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share, please like, please comment, please engage. Yes, and so let's just see the difference between how it is done here and how it's done in Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah, I've gone house hunting in Lagos, Nigeria a lot of times, so I can compare after today. Anyway, I think I'll just be filming only today, but we'll still go check some houses as every weekend till we find something good. All right, so let's just go straight to the OOTD of the day, because if you leave me, I'm going to talk and talk and talk. My shoes are from Steve Madden. This pant is from, where is this pant from? From Mango. This pant is from Mango, and this shirt is from Onitsha Main Market. Yes, this shirt is from Onitsha Main Market. And this beauty, why is this thing going dark on me and high on me? This beauty that you can see is from God and my mother and my father. Hi guys, so it's been how many weeks since I picked up my camera? Like since we vlogged the house hunting video. Guys, it's been like 3 weeks. It's been a roller coaster. Till now we've not really gotten any place, but we are hoping to close a deal today or tomorrow. At least we are hoping to get something today or tomorrow. So I'm about heading out now, and I decided to just end the vlog because I was editing and I realized that I don't have any ending. I have beginning, I don't have ending. Like, see guys, this Nigerian thing, we don't want Nigerians, it has eaten deep into a lot of situations, so like it's not easy. Oh, if you're not strong, you just be crying every time you go out to look for an apartment. When you hear we don't give to Nigerians, if you see fine house and they tell you we don't give to Nigerians, like why? And we ask, why are you guys judging us based on the 0.000000001%? Why can't you judge us based on the 1%? The 1% of the 1% in Nigeria. You are judging us based on 0.0000000. Eh? Well, I will not really take it personal, because even in Nigeria, I've gone house hunting and I've been in situations where the landlord will say, we don't want you because we don't want Igbos here, or we don't want you here because there's no man in the house. It's just your mom and your brother and you. We don't want you here because they just give stupid reasons for not wanting you, even in Lagos or in Nigeria. In my own country, like my country people are saying they don't want me because I am from a certain tribe. So it doesn't, when you now come out of that country and they do these things to you, you'll be like, they do it to me, in my own country. My own countryman also do this to me. So why should I even take this one's personal? I can't take it personal. You just laugh. Yeah, you just laugh. So, houses here are quite good. You don't have to bother about, oh, there's no light in this area, because when you're in Lagos now, you start listening, is there light in this area before we move in, or do they give light very well in this area or not? Down here, they don't. Once you pay for your lights, you have lights, except if you have electrical issues, which will be sorted out. Maybe you make a call and you just come and sort it out. Once you pay for your light, you have light. There's no electricity matter like that. Whatever you pay for, you get. Everything is just vibes. Okay, so here you don't bother about when you're going to inspect, viewing. You don't bother to pay for transport fare for your agents. That doesn't happen here. It doesn't happen here. Whether you give the agent money or you don't give the agent money, he will show you places and you get something. So it is easier to get an apartment, apart from the stereotype Nigerian thing here. You could get something depending on your budget, and again, the environment you want to stay, you need to have a budget. So you have to have a budget for where you want to stay, because there are some prices that will just hit you like this. You will just say, this pressure is getting worse. So you need to have a budget. And also it will not make sense if you do not have a car. You now go and stay in a place where there is no metro or where there is no bus station. Metro is more guaranteed. The transportation in this area is good. This country is really good, but when you're going to get an apartment, because you're coming from a country, I'm coming from a country where the weather is balanced. I know by this time of the year it is cold, by this time of the year it is hot. This place is hotter than the hot you think it is hot in Nigeria. This place used to reach like 44 degrees, 40 degrees, 41 degrees. In Nigeria at least 39 degrees, 38 degrees. Lagos, 38 degrees. Sometimes. I don't think I've ever gotten to 40 degrees in Lagos. No, I don't think so. But here, we used to get to 44, we used to get to 43 degrees. So you need to get an apartment. If you don't have a car, you cannot just come here and get a car immediately. I've digressed, but let me just finish. You cannot just land here and say you want to get a car. You need to get your license, except if you have a license from a recognized, like from a Gulf country. That's when you can just come here and say, okay, you want to buy a car. I stand to be corrected, but getting a license in this country, you can take you up to one. Around this time, it is calm. It's calm, at least in April, in May, June, when I just came. I didn't used to go out during the daytime. I only go out at night. If I have to go out, I go out at night. But now I can go out at this time. It's not that bad. It will hit you. The difference between this now and Lagos is when you step out, the sun is the same degree, like the same temperature with Lagos at this time in September, the Mba month, till I think February, March. But the breeze blows hot. At least Lagos breeze blows cold. Here it blows hot. Even if it is 31 degrees, it's still blowing hot. That's the issue. Now proceeded to, as you saw earlier, proceeded to watch football in a very calm lounge. I had fun that day. I ate my food. I love food. God, I love food. I love food so much. Like, I've been watching my weight for 1 year now, and one day, apart from me getting upset over something that happened in that watching weight thing, that's thing that I was like, waiting. I'm searching for a house. We are trying to settle down. And please, I beg. I just stopped. Let me eat well. I beg. At least let me find happiness from somewhere. Even if I'm nothing else is making me happy at this point. Let me find happiness from somewhere. I just started eating. Like, when it's time to watch my weight again, I'll go back. But I need a break. So I love food. Please, nobody should judge me. I eat so much. Like, if you know the number of food picture I have on my phone and my camera, that I always don't want to post on IG because I feel I'll be judged. Like the video, I know you should have seen that video by now, like the beans video I made. Immediately I was so hungry. Like, immediately the food got ready, I just started eating. I didn't take a picture. It was when I finished eating. I remember that I didn't take a picture. That was why there's no picture of that meal in. But I really enjoyed it. So this is the end of my rant. I need to get going. This is like 1:15. I need to get going. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions for me, please let me know in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. I was just in my mind when you were saying Nigerians, I was angry, but later I was like, in my country people, they used to tell me, we don't want you because you're Igbo, we don't want you because you're Yoruba, we don't want you. There's always tribalism. There's tribalism there. So I've gotten used to it. So if an outsider does it to me, I don't have any right to be angry. I really don't have any right to be angry, but I think we should stop that thing, man. It doesn't make sense. Yeah, so let me end it here because I can talk. Oh God, Eunice can talk. I can talk. Hey. I can talk. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as usual, do all the fun stuff in the video. If you have any questions about it, anything at all, just let me know. If you have a video suggestion for me, because sometimes I run out, I don't know what you guys want. I don't know, because the viewing is so low. Like, if I was looking at numbers in this YouTube, I would have ended it since I started YouTube in 2019. The only thing that has improved is maybe I've crossed the 1,000 subscription thing. I've crossed it. If I was looking at numbers, is YouTube just something I really like? I would have started YouTube since 2017. I wanted to make like a podcast. I wanted a podcast. That was a vision I had. It wasn't a vlog thing. It was podcast. Because of talk. Because I just wanted. So I didn't get a partner that talked like me. That was why that dream just died. I just decided to leave it to 2019, then start doing vlogs. Yeah. So anyway, let me end it here, please. Please, if you just come and take this camera for me.